Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Lovable is providing the free access to their website lovable.dev for building the website. Yes, you have heard it right. You will get the access for free, and here you see that I have just tried it and it is showing this $0 per month, and I have used one coupon code, and in this video I will show you that coupon code, that how you can get the this $25 per month off, and for the next 2 months you will get this $0 per month and you can use it for free. So how to do that? For that, first go to this lovable.dev. The link I have given in description, click on that. You will find this page, and remember one thing, that this coupon code might not work for the existing account, so make sure that you have make a new account in this lovable.dev. So on the right hand side, click on this get started, and after that it will ask for the continue with Google, and I will suggest you to do the continue with email with your other email with which you have not make the previous account with this Lovable. Okay, so after that you will find this kind of page. Here you see, and on the left hand side you will find your logo. Okay, so on the left hand side bottom corner you will find your logo, so just click on that, your profile logo, and after that click on the settings. So click on the settings and this pop-up will appear, and now on the left hand side you will find this plan and credit. Okay, so click on this plans and credit, and here you see that there are different plans: pro, business and enterprise. Now you have to just go to this pro plan, and after that here you will see that there are many benefits like 100 monthly credits, 5 daily credits, etc, etc, and unlimited lovable.app domains, and also you can use your custom domains. Okay, now click on this upgrade. So if you click on this upgrade, you will find that it will take you to the Stripe page. Okay, so let me open that. Here you see currently it is showing there's $25 per month, but I will provide you one coupon code, so make sure you copy that from the description. This is the coupon code next play love 25. So exact coupon code, just copy it from description, and here you see that add promotional code, and click on this and here paste it, click on this apply, and now you see that, and now it is showing this $0 per month. That means for the next 2 months, here you see that they have written it $25 off for 2 months. So for the next 2 months you will not be charged anything. Now on the right hand side you will see that payment method, and here they will ask for the card or cash app pay. After choosing this card you have to enter the card information, and don't worry, they will not charge you. After the 2 months they will charge you. So for the next 2 months it is completely free, they will not charge anything, but after 2 months you can cancel the auto pay in your card for this Lovable. It is your choice. If you don't cancel, then they will charge. If you cancel the auto pay, then they will not charge anything. Okay, so this is the promo code, please use it, and I think many of you already know that how to cancel the auto pay, so please do that. There are several videos over YouTube, you can watch that also. Okay, so after entering the card information, just subscribe this, and after 2 months or before the 2 months, when your next third month is coming, you can cancel that auto pay. Okay, and you will not be charged anything. So this was the video guys, and this was the promo code that I have given in description. Please use that, and if it is working fine for you guys, then please make sure you comment down below that it is working for me, and please give a thanks note to me. And if you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe this channel to get this type of videos more. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.